Carolina, Lee County in central North Carolina, southwestern Wake County in central North Carolina, eastern Chatham County in central North Carolina, southwestern Durham County in central North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Carrboro to 11 miles southeast of Pittsburgh to near Sanford, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Sanford, Pittsburgh, Garner, Fuquay, Varina, Angier, RDU International, and Apex. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Jordan Lake or Harris Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. The National Weather Service